Are you ready to build your dream home anywhere, anytime with Propane? Joining us today is Matt Blashaw, real estate expert, builder, and co-host of HGTV's Build It Forward. Matt is here to share information about how Propane makes it possible to build a comfortable, high-performing, energy-efficient, swoon-worthy home in any location. Hello, Matt.
Hi, good morning.
Matt, building a dream home anywhere sounds too good to be true. Tell us, how is it possible?
Absolutely. Propane makes it possible to build that comfortable, high-performing indoor area or that dynamic outdoor space where all the family can come together. So families that are seeking to build that dream home don't necessarily need to wait for the utility company to put in a gas line. Propane is made right here in the USA, and it makes it possible to build your dream home right now where you want it.
Resiliency at home is a big bonus, but what else can Propane do?
Well, it means propane appliances actually increase the value of your home. People love their performance, they love their efficiency, and they power all major appliances. So furnace, clothes dryer, water heater, fireplace can all be propelled by propane. Propane is more efficient, it has fewer greenhouse gases than electricity.
Why is it practical to consider an energy source other than just electricity?
Yeah, we shouldn't put all our eggs in one energy basket, so to speak, such as electricity. The more diverse America's energy source is, the more reliable it's going to be. And propane partners with other electricity sources, solar power. It's affordable, it's available, it's clean, and that's why our slogan with propane is energy for everyone.
Where can we go for more information?
Absolutely. To learn all about propane and how you can build your dream home, just visit propane.com.
Thanks, Matt.
Thank you.